Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Overlook in Book. Stay tuned with me. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Do not forget to click on bell icon. In this video, we are going to see what is company and characteristics of the companies under Companies Act 2013. The term company is derived from the Latin word companis. Com means come together and panis means bread. Section 3, Clause 1I of the Indian Companies Act state that a company is registered under this act or an existing company. Existing company means the company which is existing or registered under earlier acts. Characteristics of the company. A company is a legal personality. There are two kinds of persons, natural person and legal person or artificial person. Natural person means human beings, children, women, men, etc. Legal person means the person who is created by legal process or by law and not through natural birth is an artificial person or legal person. So company is a artificial person means legal person which is intangible means cannot see or perceive by senses. A company is a distinct legal person existing independent of its members. The independent corporate existence is the outstanding feature of company. Salmon versus Salmon and Company Limited. In this case law, a company is a separate legal entity is explained very well. This case we will be discussed in separate video. Next characteristics is limited liability. In partnership firm, partner's liability is unlimited. Hence the creditor can attach the private property of partner for debt due from the firm. But in case of company, creditor cannot demand a shareholder to settle his claim out of private funds of the shareholders. So, shareholders' liability is limited up to his share only. Perpetual succession. Company never dies nor its life depend on the life of its members. Members will come and go, but company's existence will be remain same. That is perpetual succession. Being an artificial person, a company cannot sign in the document and issue certificate. It can act only through an agent or representative known as director, secretary, etc. The common seal is considered as official signature of the company. All the act must be authenticated by its common seal. Company has right to property. It means a company, being a legal person, has a right to acquire, possess, and dispose of the property in its own name. The property of the company will not be considered as the joint property of the members constituting the company, although the capital and asset of the company are contributed by members, means shareholder of the company. There are two types of property, movable and immovable. Share is the movable property and shareholder can transfer his ownership over his share to some other person. But the transfer can be affect only the manner specified in articles of the company and in Companies Act. Capacity to sue and be sued. To sue means to file case. To be sued means filed case against company. A company being a legal person can sue other person in its corporate name, and similarly other person can also sue the company in their own name. As we saw, company is a legal person, although it is not a citizen under the Indian Constitution. It can act only through natural persons. But company has a nationality, domicile and residence. The nationality of company is the country in which country the company is registered, and domicile also refers to the registration, as well as residence also refers to the place where the company is registered. Thank you for watching.